Have you ever thought how a small logo can make a huge impact on your business? Your logo is your brand's face. It's the first thing people notice, and sometimes it's the only thing they remember. But the real question is, what type of logo is right for you? Wordmark, lettermark, symbol, or maybe an emblem? Every type has its own style, its own meaning, and its own power. And when you go on Fiverr, you'll find thousands of designers for each type. So in this video, we're not just going to show the logo types, we'll also compare them and show the best Fiverr designers for each style. Let's get started. How to pick the right logo type. Still wondering which logo type is right for you? Let's simplify. Got a long brand name? Go with a lettermark. Launching an online store or digital brand? Try Wordmark or Abstract. Want something simple and memorable? Iconic all the way. Looking for a traditional feel or vintage look? You can't go wrong with Emblem. Small details like these make a big difference in the final result. Alright, now you know different types of logos and exactly which Fiverr designers specialize in each. If you're ready to get your logo done, check out the links in the description. You'll find every designer we mentioned, all organized by logo type. Hit like if this helped, drop a comment with your favorite logo style, and don't forget to subscribe.